I want to cry. Why does it look like this? Hi guys, today we are going to attempt to do an installation. I've never done that, so it'll be my first time. Yeah, before I cut my dreads, I used to wear your normal, what do you call it, 3x4 closures. So I've never done an installation in my life. So today's hair is from, ouch, Ewan's hair. Alright, quick story on why I got this hair. So before, I had already, like, I always wanted to cut my hair, but I was scared, right? I was scared, and I thought I was gonna look ugly. Like, I thought short hair is not gonna suit me, because the last time I cut my hair, I had a skinny face. So it wasn't like I looked nice because I had a skinny face, and now I'm just like, oh, what if I don't look nice? Let me just purchase a wig in case the short hair does not, does not work. And I purchased this baby. So I will show you the hair. I already know what comes in here. So we have 2 wig caps. This bag, I think, to hold the hair. This is like a coupon thingy, and then this, which has, I don't get this, which has hair clips. This thing, if you need to adjust your wig, you can sew this in, and this scamo baby hair thingy. I don't know if there was something else in here. Yes, there was. Those clippers, I don't know where they are. I think my sister has them. Yes. And the actual hair. So this is a 10-inch 100% human hair. 1B, that's the color. Let's see. Yeah. So this is the hair. I'll try and look for the picture of this. It is a, is it called a frontal? Yeah. Here to here, from here to here. It's that thing. So we're going to customize and wear this baby. Hopefully we do a good job. It has these combs, it has this bra adjustable thing, plus this, so your wig is going to be secure. Yeah, so I'm going to start off obviously with the wig cap. I don't know why I closed this. Where the wig cap at? My sister, can I have the hair clips, please? Okay. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to use to glue this baby on. Yeah, this is so tight. Is this a one size fits all? Because it's very tight. I don't know if it's meant to be this tight. It's uncomfortable for me. I haven't had this on. Oh guys, these are the hair clips that were missing in there. My nice sister bought these for me, just to like help when you're putting it in, like when you are trying to, you'll see the use of these. So wait, but I have a big forehead, so I can't be putting this thing here and then my wig's gonna start here. Okay. Okay, so this is my hairline, right? So I'm going to be using this got2b glue, the black one. And then if, for example, if I put more glue than what's necessary, I'll just use this remover for the ghost bond. I'm not going to use the ghost bond to lay this thing. I'm going to use this. I've heard it works best, and yeah, I've heard that. So let's begin. What do I do, Gonje? Do I cut this while it's on my hair? Guys, it's not going to be difficult. So I'm going to wear this. Oh Jesus, do I not look weird? Does it have to be this white? Oh, I'm supposed to put like foundation and stuff here, right? Do I put it under? Do you know what? Okay, I think I'm gonna put yeah, because this is making it super light. I'm gonna put some concealer in here quickly, just in the inside, but not too much, and I'll be back. I think this is gonna be a bit harder than I had anticipated. Okay, I'm going to have to put, sorry, I'm eating a sweet. I want to put, what do you call it, foundation on this thing and this thing. Wow, it's so orange. I'm gonna put my shade on here. Maybe better, I'm gonna have it so we can conceal. This thing is big. My head is too, ouch. My head is too small for this. Where's that comb? I don't even have hair. You see now the comb is doing the things. Okay, here's another comb. You put it here under the petioles. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh! Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Ouch, ouch. What did I do? Wow. Is it going to look like this? Okay. This is this. Okay, I need I need my left hand. When do I apply the glue? Oh no, I'm gonna apply it now. No. Guys, I believe in myself though. I know I'm gonna do a good job. So is this lace supposed to be here? Can you just look like it's here? Nah, there's no ways. There's no way. Is my head that small? Because like here it's sitting properly. And then why is it? Like this is close to my eyebrow. Yeah, I'm scared to proceed because I cut my haircut and there's no ways. Okay guys, I'm gonna ask for help. I'm gonna ask, I'm supposed to be pulling this back or like what's supposed to be happening, because this can't be it. Literally there is this much space between my eyebrow and my hair. Nah, I'll be back. Guys, Ndochua, she says it could be my hair, because my head, like it's small, because when she puts it on it's not like, it's not back. Or maybe I can put it back like this, because I mean I know I have to cut the excess up here, but like, yeah, maybe I must, yeah, ne? Ah! Hey, let me do this so I can put on the glue, and then just like one, because This hair is too soft. It doesn't wanna have a clue. Yeah, don't you? Don't you? I'm sure after doing this once, I'm gonna be a pro. Oh Lord. See, like it's supposed to be here, not by my eyebrow. So what I've heard from the pros and our faves is that, so you apply the first layer of this got to be glue. Should have brought some paper towel because what am I going to use? And then you were cold air. That's on, what are you doing? Okay, it's tacky, and then you go on with the second layer. I don't know why yet, but that's what they said they do. Okay. Uh-oh. No, man, this is a lot. I really hope it turns out nice, because it would suck if it doesn't. Yo, I hope I cut this thing properly. Okay, now let me not panic. It's gonna turn out nice. You see what I was talking about when I brought my remover, because I feel like this is maybe excess glue that I don't need, but because I don't know, it's my first time. So once I know, wickets are enough. Jehovah. Don't you work in this? Can this please work? Okay. Yo. Hey, wait, not there. Jesus. I do the cutting after it. I think I'm supposed to be putting the head scarf. How tight should this be? Oh, jeez. Oh, God. See where this thing is? No. Oh, Jesus. Oh. I think it must be like here. I'm so nervous. I'm not even funny. I mean, I could do my face, but I'm not going to do my face not knowing how this thing looks like. So I'll just go find out how long I have to have this thing on, and so we can start with the cutting. gonna go well. I'm very positive. I am so nervous. Being positive does not take away the fact that you are still nervous of the outcome. I'm being positive. It's gonna turn out great, or not as bad as I think it would, but I'm still nervous. So I'm gonna find out how long I'm supposed to have this on for, and then I'll be back. We are back. I think it's time to Somebody's thinking of this? Did I not wait long enough? Jesus, why does it look like this? City baby hair. This is a very tricky part, and I hope I don't mess this up. I don't have the thin, so I have this, and I have a blade as well. I'll just see what works. I always see them starting here. Ooh. But once I start cutting, there's no going back. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut like a big one, and then I'll come again, in case I make a mistake. And I know you're not supposed to be cutting straight, so I don't know what that means. Okay, you see, I want to do, and then I'll go back again. Okay. Oh! Did I cut my skin? Oh no, it was a glue. Don't judge me. We are going to... One thing that scares me is the part here that I need to cut, because I know they always cut off the excess, but I just don't know how far is too far. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna install this so nicely now. You'll see these brands. I'll be having collabs with Abu Ewing's hair, because me, I'm not coming here as a professional. I'm starting out, and I'm showing you how easy it could be. As you see now, I don't know where I'm supposed to start with. Okay, let me start from here. Do I cut the hair off as well? Okay, let me not start by cutting the hair off as yet. Guys, I can smell like a week. Never. Never. I think I might need to put on some more glue, because why is the cap showing now? Oh Lord. I think I was supposed to, but I don't want to do it like that though. I'm sure we can fix it. Okay. Yo, I'm so scared to cut so close to the thingy. Okay. My sister literally said I must teach myself. She's not gonna do anything for me. So this is why I'm here. Oh, don't chew, like for real, for real. I forgot how I cut this side the first time. We are not gonna cry, we're not gonna give up, we're gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna try use this mirror. Look at my skin. I got my skin. Oh no, I didn't. Why does it look like this? I think I still need to cut some more, but let me remove this glue here because it's irritating me. Lace wear after so much work. Yeah. I think I'm gonna go use the bathroom mirror and this because I have to be super close, and the lighting in my bathroom is way better. So I'll be right back. I might take some time, but I will be back and then we'll see what needs to happen, because what is this? Many months later, I'm even hungry. I'm so hungry. I honestly tried. I like this side more than this side. Because look. See how you can't even tell? Okay, here I was too scared. Sorry. I was too scared to cut closer, and I mean, I'm hoping you can see, but the white part, I don't understand why the wig cap is supposed to be this color. I mean, if it was like a brownish, I'm sure there's brown ones. If it's like a darker brown, it would work nicely, because you see here, there's no wig cap here, and it looks so beautiful. Now here, the wig cap went back as I was putting on the glue, and I took back the lace. I mean, that's my fault, granted, but now you can see like the distinction. You can see where the wig thingy ends, because it's like blonde, whatever the color, plus the concealer, and then it's the lace which looks whitish. That's not pretty, so I'm gonna see if I can cover that up. And then on the side, it's not bad. Like you see, when it's on my skin, it's fine. But this, so now what do we do from here? Let's see, let me just finish this quickly. I'm so hungry. Yeah, no, my head is small. Okay, let me use this one. I am scared of a hot comb. It hasn't been on for some time. I plugged this in, but I did not switch on. What am I supposed to do? It's been plugged on the entire time. Anyways, while we wait on that, okay, so this parting is not straight, so I'm just gonna fix that. Okay, let me try with this smaller tooth comb. It's just here. Oh, I won't lie, my sister helped me cut off this part here, because I couldn't do that, so she helped her sister out. I am terrified of this hot comb. Like from when I was young, I used to be so scared. I hated doing that. Like I hated it with all my being. I think let me try now while it's not so hot. Oh my god, I am so scared. Lord, please be with me. I don't want to die young. I don't want to burn. I don't even know which mirror to use. This hair is sticking to the glue, and this part is not parting properly like I want it to. Okay, cool. There we go. So let me hold. Please don't break. Please. I don't even think I'm doing it right. So I'm just supposed to. People do like get burned from these things. You must be extra careful. Yeah, it's not so scary because there is hair, there's a wig cap, and this does not look like a straight line. But let's work with what we have. Yeah, it's on this thing. It's for the parting, right? I mean, I shouldn't be combing a whole. You know when they do that thing? When they do that thing to any side of the hair here. I'll just use a straightener. I think I'm gonna plug in my straightener because I don't. I get comfort, man. I get comfortable. Yeah, now this. My head is very tiny. This thing is big. Okay, I think I'm gonna use a straightener, or I'm gonna ask my sister to come. I'm just gonna say no because she said I must learn. I should have actually plugged this a long time ago. There's a lot of hair standing. Oh, and then baby hairs. I don't think this suits me at all. I don't know if maybe I was supposed to pull it this side a bit more, or if it's meant to be like this. Maybe I can get that thing that stands here like that. The thing that they do. I care like her of things. It seems very hot. Oh, I have to put that serum on so the hair doesn't burn. I'll be right back. I forgot that I had this. So, how do I do this? Oh, it's for the hairs that are standing to sleep. I need to do this. Oh, now you see. Personally, this is a lot of work. Personally, so I think I would buy, like my next purchase, something that's already cut. I just install, like I just do the whole glue. I think that's a very tedious task. Okay, now we are looking. Here's the thing again. What's only. Okay. Can I use this mirror? This is the part I don't like. The mirror is too far as well. It wasn't bad, but I think because I'm so jumpy that Oh, I catch a shim. I'm so scared. Straight now though? I think I can comb this. Nope. I'm going to use a straightener because the straightener is not going to burn me. Okay, now I see what the straightener is doing. I needed it. Turns out it wasn't a waste of time. What a lot of work. And I think that, ouch, so mad. I think the last thing I need to do is baby hairs, because I can't do that thing where the hair is like this. So I'm going to attempt to do baby hairs. Yeah, that's a lot of hair. No, this is enough. Okay, where did it go to? Oh, here. Wish me luck. I lost the hair. Oh. Yeah. Guys, don't be like me. Don't lose the hair. I think I do this immediately. Yo, what is this that I'm doing? I mean, it's not bad. I think it's gonna be covered like this. I think we can all see that I can't do baby hairs. One thing about me, I will keep trying. I will keep trying. I'll be an Alliyah. I will keep trying. I don't really like baby hairs. I don't even. Okay, unless my hair's like going to the back so you can see them. Ouch. Let's try again. Dust yourself up and try again, try again. And also another thing, I think I'm like slow and making a lot of errors because I practically have one hand. Do I need to do it on this side? Okay, let me try that thing. They do it like this. I always see my sister do it. That's the trick. Let us try it. Yeah, because wax is gonna hold it up. Clever girl. Like this. And then I think I'm still gonna do this. Did I not achieve it? I did. And then guys, I think that's it. I'm just going to foundation this part. Maybe I'll do a face bead and then I'll come back and show you the actual look. But I think I'm done trying the baby hairs because after I cut the hair, it just disappears. And I don't think I'm cutting enough, but first time, so yeah, but I think I did a good job. I'll just show you after. I'm gonna try and put on very quick makeup. And yeah. And the moment of truth. Guys, no ways. No freaking ways. First of all, makeup is a scam. Because did I not just transform? Makeup is literally triple N. Like, scam. I did not look like this. I was even doubting that this hair suits me. And then I did a quick, you know, look. How, what? You guys are lying. No ways. No ways. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I decided to do the side baby hair on the side because I mean it seals the look. And this is the result, you guys. This is the end result. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, her. Guys, let's go Jalamona. Yo, let's go Jalamona, please. I'm hoping you can see. So obviously it's not like perfect, but I think, nah man, I think I did a really good job. I mean, this is my first ever hair installation, and this is what I came up with. Let's go Jalamona. Let me give you a moment. Let's just take a moment of silence for all of this. Please. Yeah, I think this is it. We've come to the end of this recording. I think I'm gonna record something because there's no I'm letting this look go to waste. Honestly, I just wanted to do a hair installation and I was just like, I'm not feeling it. Maybe let me do a young face beat and see if I'm feeling it. No, I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. I might have been complaining. It took time, obviously because it's my first time, but no man, no, you see. You see, even that little thing that I wanted to do, now look, it all makes sense. You see, it all makes perfect sense. But thank you so much for watching, you guys. Can you please rate me? Maybe don't tell me out of what, but please rate my installation skills. I mean, next thing I'll be doing your collabs with your Ewan's hair, your sand hair, you know what I mean? So please rate me and maybe give me tips on how I could do better. And yeah, I am so happy. I am so happy, and I don't understand why I did this and now I have to go wash it off. Nah, but I'll probably film something because no, like no. So yeah, thank you. Please don't forget to rate me and give it a thumbs up. Share it with other people who were probably scared to buy lace frontal wigs because they don't know how to install them. This is literally my first time and I had one hand. What is your excuse? Please share so other people can see how maybe not so easy it is for your first time, but I think that my second time is going to be better. Yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for the love. Keep sharing my videos and doing all those nice things. Oh, and this lipstick, remember my unboxing the other day? This is the rose petal lipstick from Hermoso Flow, and it's just this brown lining, and this is how it turned out. No guys, I think I'm done. I'm just gonna leave it there. Just admire this one more time. Oh man, this is so dirty because my makeup. Anyways, okay, I'm out. For real this time. Thank you so much for the love. Don't forget to rate me. I hope you're gonna be nice. Or like give me tips, at least if your ratings are very low. But yeah, thank you.